Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Congratulations to Krishna Marie Gravides on this outstanding achievement. Your journey in the pageant world has been nothing short of inspiring, with grace, intelligence, and a dedication to making a positive impact. You have truly shown through every step of the way. These prestigious accomplishments reflects not only your outer beauty, but also your inner strength, compassion, and unwavering commitment to meaningful causes. Your ability to inspire and uplift others is remarkable, and it is clear that you are not just a beauty queen, but a beacon of hope and change. As you move forward, we eagerly anticipate the incredible work you will continue to do, both on and off the stage. Your efforts to champion important issues, empower community, and drive positive change are truly commendable. In this new chapter of your journey, you may continue to represent our nation with pride and purpose. Your story is a testament to the power of determination, resilience, and the impact one person can make. We are confident that you will continue to inspire and create a lasting legacy, touching the hearts and lives of many. Here's to a remarkable journey ahead, filled with success, growth, and endless possibilities. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!